In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Notion's conditional formatting. To get started, open the database where you want to apply conditional formatting. This can be any Notion database view you already use, such as a task tracker, project board, or content calendar. The key idea here is that conditional formatting helps important information stand out automatically based on rules you define. So it's especially useful when you want to quickly scan your data. Once your database is open, go to the View settings. This is where Notion lets you customize how that specific database view looks and behaves. If you're working with multiple views, remember that settings may apply to the current view, so make sure you're editing the one you actually want to format. Inside the View settings, click on Conditional Color. This is the area where you'll create visual rules that change how items appear, depending on the values in your database. It's a simple feature, but it can make a big difference in readability and workflow. Next, create a new rule. Think of a rule as an instruction that tells Notion when to highlight something. For example, you might want certain entries to stand out when they match a specific status, priority, date, or category. Creating clear, practical rules will help keep your database useful instead of visually overwhelming. After that, select the property you want the rule to focus on. The property is the field Notion will check, such as status, priority, due date, or another column in your database. Choose the property that best reflects the type of information you want to emphasize. Then choose the condition. This tells Notion exactly what to look for in that property. Depending on the property type, the condition might compare text, selections, numbers, or dates. Try to choose a condition that supports the way you actually manage your work, so the formatting feels helpful and intuitive. Once the condition is set, select a color. Pick a color that makes the meaning instantly clear. For example, warmer colors often work well for urgent items, while calmer colors can be useful for completed or lower priority entries. The goal is consistency, so try to use colors in a way that stays easy to recognize over time. Now save the rule. This applies your conditional formatting, so Notion can begin displaying matching entries with the color you selected. After saving, review the results in your database. Look through your entries and make sure the formatting appears where you expected it to. This is a good moment to catch anything that may need adjustment. Finally, update your rules as needed. If your workflow changes or the colors don't feel as clear as you hoped, you can always refine the property, condition, or color choice. Thanks for watching.